Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the assessing officer taxed sales commission income of the assessee as fees for technical services. This issue has been taken up by Bangalore ITAT C bench in the case of Manthan System Inc. versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax International Taxation. This case is reported in 121 ITR Tribunal at page number 198 and the date of the judgment is 20th May 2024. Nowadays, a number of cases are coming in which it has been seen that the assessee is getting much relief from the tribunals and the courts in those cases where the nature of the income earned by the assessee is a sales commission and the revenue is trying to drag that income into the head of fees for technical services as per section 9 subsection 1 clause 7. In the present case, the assessee MSI and MSPL were wholly owned subsidiaries of a company ASPL. These companies were providing sales and marketing services in the territory of North America, South America and Caribbean markets and Singapore. During the assessment proceedings, the learned assessing officer taxed this sales commission income as fees for technical services under section 115A, read with article 12 of double taxation avoidance agreement. The assessee filed the appeal before the tribunal, and when the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal was of the considered opinion that in the present case, the sales commission did not satisfy the definition of the fees for technical services as per the Act and as per double taxation avoidance agreement. The tribunal said that in the present case, the assessee MSI is acting only as a business partner and promoting the products of ASPL and only following for the payment from the customers. The tribunal said that in the present case, it is already held in case of ASPL that the commission is not taxable. The tribunal also relied on the Delhi High Court judgment in the case of Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax International Taxation, Panalpha, in which it was held that the commission paid by the assessee to the foreign agents is not fees for technical services. The tribunal also relied on the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Commissioner of Income Tax versus Tosco Limited, which is of 1980 judgment and is reported in 125 ITR at page number 525, in which the Honorable Supreme Court held that the commission paid to agents outside India is not taxable in India. The tribunal also relied on the case of Honorable Madras High Court in the case of CIT versus Faison Shoe Private Limited, in which it was held by the Madras High Court that the TDS is not deductible when non-resident agent provides services outside India for commission. So, relying on these judgments, the tribunal said that for taxing any services under fees for technical services, there are two aspects. First of all, there should be technical services and these technical services should be made available to the assessee. The tribunal said that the technical knowledge must remain with the person receiving the services even after the particular contract comes to an end. So, there is a difference between the sales commission and fees for technical services. Merely on the basis of assumptions and presumptions and making broad allegations, the sales commission cannot be taxed in the hands of the assessee as fees for technical services when the nature of the services are purely marketing and these payments are made for marketing the products and for the follow-up for the payments. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Manthan System Inc. versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax International Taxation, and this case is reported in 121 ITR Tribunal at page number 198. The matter has been decided by Bangalore ITAT-C bench and the date of the judgment is 28th May 2024. Thank you, friends.